Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got my daughters for Christmas. So if that's something you want to see, stay tuned. So I've already wrapped up one of my daughter's gifts already. I ended up getting her a circle mirror over her dresser. I had a smaller one that was over my coffee station, so I'm giving her that one because I bought a bigger one to put over there. And then she wanted a pair of brown Nikes. I already wrapped that up, and I'm trying to think of the other items that I wrapped up. So today my goal is to wrap up everything else. I do still have a few things coming in the mail. So when those come in, I think the last thing is supposed to arrive this Thursday. Thursday I'm off, so I'll go ahead and wrap up that. In the meantime, I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys what I got the girls. One of my daughters, she's sick, so she's home. She's upstairs sleeping. So for the things I got her, for the things that I got her, I'll probably just show you or whisper it, or just more likely do a voiceover. Everything so far, I'm planning on using the boxes that some of the items came in. So this year I had told them pick, maybe it was like 3 or 4 things that they really wanted, and they told me what they wanted. So I made sure that was done, and then I got them extra stuff. But so there's some things that they don't know about, which I love. I love that part of Christmas because I do want to be able to surprise them. And this year I feel like I didn't spend as much as I did last year, so I'm happy about that. So let's go ahead and get started on wrapping gifts. Those who don't know, I have a set of twins. So anytime I wrap their gifts or even birthday gifts, I use 2 different wrapping paper. First is using the same wrapping paper and putting their names on it. I just go ahead and just get 2 separate ones. So we got pink and blue, and then at the time I went to Joann's to find other wrapping paper because they had 70% off of their holiday stuff, and I couldn't find any pink, so we went with green. You know, it is what it is. But I ended up finding some bags that kind of match the green. I like stuff to look a certain way when it comes to Christmas decorating, but for time's sake, I just went ahead and grabbed what I got because toilet paper, because the wrapping paper I got from Home Goods, to me it wasn't a lot on the roll. So the ones at Joann's, they were thick, and I was like, you know what? This would be enough for what I have left to wrap, so let me just go ahead and get this one versus trying to get stuff to match the tree. So let's get started. What I usually like to do is just separate the piles so I can get everybody's done first. I'm gonna start with the second daughter this morning, only because I haven't wrapped up any of her stuff. So I'm gonna start with hers, and then I'll finish up with my other one. All right, guys. And I think I'm very low on tape. So what I might end up doing is at least getting everything in the boxes first, seal that up. So in case I run out of tape, at least stuff will be covered and they won't know what they got. So my girls we're kind of getting into makeup. So I got this little microfiber bubble headband for one of them. One of my daughters already had one, so I got this one for the second one. So I'll put her pile right here. And I got this one, a little fluffy brown jacket, because the sneakers that she wanted were brown. So I got her this little cute little brown light jacket from Walmart. She's more hot natured, so I definitely will not be buying anything heavy for her. I got them these. Be right back. Okay, so one of them has this. Wanted something from Pretty Little Things. So her package arrived. I don't know why I thought this was a whole set. So this is what she wanted. She wanted this sweatshirt, has brown in it. So this will go with her. Anybody, this is our first time ordering from Pretty Little Things, and I didn't realize they were based out of, like, I guess China. So it took forever for her stuff to come in the mail. And unfortunately, I don't think I'll be ordering from them again. We got these little makeup bags for them. I'm gonna probably take one, but I'm gonna let her pick out which one she wants. And we got this from Ross. My other daughter already picked hers out and she has it up in her room. So we got the makeup, the one daughter. So these are gifts that they're giving each other. One wanted this pink NYX lip liner, and they each got the mineral matte finishing powder. So I'm gonna actually keep this in the Ulta bag, and I need to get them a small bag where they can give to each other. So this is all a Temu order for one of my daughters. So I think I might use this Target box to put stuff in. Hey everyone, I just wanted to jump in. Hopefully you guys don't hear my dryer going. If you hear the noise, that's what's going on back there. Back to the girls' gifts. So they each got to choose a separate website of their choice of what they wanted to order. They each had a certain dollar amount. So one chose Temu, the second one chose Pretty Little Things. And these are some sweatpants that I got from Walmart for one of my daughters. And these actually feel a lot more comfortable than the Old Navy ones that I bought. Unfortunately, they were too tall, so I ended up having to give both of the pairs to one of my daughters, and the second daughter I ordered some from Old Navy. Their Shein stuff, and honestly, I can't remember whose was what, so I may have to wait on that. I'm redoing one of my girls' bedroom. That was a Christmas gift she wanted, and I got her picture frames. I'm gonna see how this looks over her bed before I open them, because I'm thinking I might want to get a bigger size. I'm not sure if I like the smaller size, so I'm gonna set this off to the side. Okay, so this is the petite jogging pants I got for one daughter, and then I ended up actually getting them Stanley cups. I got the holiday edition from Dick's Sporting Goods, and these are the Stanley Cup accessories that I got for them, and I purchased those from Amazon. This is one of their gifts. So I did get some stuff off of Target, and I basically needed something small to add to get the free shipping, so that was the main reason why I ended up getting those. So this is the one who's a petite. Now one of my daughters, she has a Pandora bracelet, and basically for every birthday, Christmas, she gets charms. And I also ended up getting them new pillows, new pillowcases. One daughter got new shoes. Well, they both got new shoes, but one daughter was not expecting the shoes. I wanted to get her just a new pair. I think it had been almost a year since I really got her one. She doesn't really want shoes like that. The second daughter loves Jordans and different shoes, but she's still in a kid size, so I don't mind buying them, if you know what I mean. And I'm just kind of putting some stuff in a bag. I meant to kind of do a little bit more like a self-care basket, but I just didn't have the time. I kind of like kind kind of dropped the ball on that. But the girls were very thankful. They had a great Christmas. They each did get their own laptop. I feel like it was worth the investment, because hopefully it's something that they can take off to college. But they've been both working really hard in school this year. I'm beyond thankful for them, for their kids, and God answering prayers, because man, those who know, if you don't have motivated kids, it's hard for them to focus in school. But this year has definitely been a blessing. They've been working hard. I'm just going to continue to pray over them, continue to fast over them. But yeah, so I'm just kind of putting everything together. I think this was the last box that I had to wrap. I just prefer to wrap stuff in bigger boxes and bags, so it's just not so many presents under the tree where it's just kind of pointless. My kids are kind of a lot older. But it was so cute. One daughter, when she was opening all her gifts, she literally was opening with everything one by one, like even her clothes. She was taking everything out of the wrapper one by one. It was just so funny. And then the other stuff that I didn't wrap was a pink bow lamp that I found at TJ Maxx, and then I bought her a body pillow, a blanket. Those 3 things I didn't wrap, and I'll try to include a clip of that. So I had woke up 4 a.m. Christmas morning to make sure I can get it downstairs before they woke up, and they actually woke up at 6:30 in the morning. And I'll try to include some clips also of what they got me for Christmas. One daughter painted me a picture. She asked for my favorite flower, and that's what she painted me. It was just beautiful. It was very sweet, very thoughtful. I love like homemade stuff like that just tugs at my heart. And then the second daughter ended up buying me a pretty blouse from Target and a heart necklace. Thankful to my mom. She was like, "Mommy, I want to buy you something," and she was like, "I'm gonna text Grandma to help to have her pick me up and go get it." I said, "Okay, not a problem. Go ahead and call her and see what happens and see if she's available." And my mom was there. She was able to get her, take her. I was very, very thankful for that day, because time had escaped. I had been working a lot. I had shifts. I had to do my normal shift on top of the holiday shift, so it was a lot going on. I'm just very blessed, very thankful for this Christmas with this family and my daughters. But anywho, I hope you guys are enjoying this part. Guys, like I said, I'm not the best rapper, but y'all know all the kids do is just tear it open. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the camera here, and I'll come back once I have everything wrapped. Hey guys, I am back. I finished wrapping the girls' presents. Again, I'm still waiting on a few more things to come in the mail, but I'm happy that I got all what I can get done. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to make sure I didn't have anything else upstairs, but I don't. And I'm going to show you guys what I have so far. So this is one daughter. Again, I ran out of wrapping paper, so we made it coordinated this way. I'm excited to see their faces. And this is the second daughter. I think I just have 1 or 2 things more I'm waiting to come in. And for her, it's just one other thing to come in for her bedroom. And again, these were the picture frames I was telling you guys about over her headboard, and I kind of feel like they are too small. So I think I'm going to go ahead and return those, return the prints and get the bigger size. I'm going to double check to make sure that if I order the bigger size, they're going to be in before Christmas. And then that's it for her. I think everything's going to turn out really pretty in her room. I'm really excited. She's a pink girly like me, but I don't have pink as much as I used to in my room and bathroom. And yeah, so I'm okay. Like, I usually do a lot of stuff for them for Christmas, but this year scale back in a sense where I'm not working a lot, because last year I really worked a lot. And I already told them in the beginning, I was like, hey, this is what I'm gonna X, Y, and Z, because I really wanted to be more home and more present, and also to be at church, as well. So yeah, I'm just trying to realign my priorities or whatnot. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got another video that I'm filming today, and we'll go from there. All right, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Talk to you later. Bye.